Over the last week or so, I've noticed that my bandsaw has no longer been cutting straight lines. So I am going to investigate and find out why. The first thing I did is clean this area up here, back this clamp off and out of the way. Then I took a 6-inch metal scale and used a small clamp to clamp it to the blade, making sure that I stayed away from the teeth section down here. We drop that down. Now we need to put a square on here and just check it in relation to the metal scale. So we need a 1, 2, 3 block here. And a square. We'll push that square out till it meets right about there, and the top part of the scale seems to not be in line too well there. The bottom is right flush to the square, and the top we can see light through there, so we need to make an adjustment. Looking at the slide, we can see there appears to be space right here, and we have an adjustment bolt right here. So I'm going to try to loosen this bolt and push this over in that direction. We'll see what happens. Well, I did manage to move this over somewhat, but this side appeared to be worse, so I loosened this bolt and forced it over in that direction. It's this kind of a twist, and locked it up again. And we tried it out on a piece of metal to see how it worked. And before I started adjusting anything, I made a cut on this piece of metal, and we're going to put the square on there and show you why I got involved in all of this. That is not exactly what I'd call square. So I'm going to take this piece of metal out of the vise now and turn it around and show you the other end, which was the final cut that I made after making adjustments. Alright, we've turned that piece of metal around, and here is the final cut after adjustments. And actually that is pretty darn good.